Hello, today we're making air fryer pineapple. That's a healthy warm dessert you can serve with ice cream. We're going to start by getting one pineapple and I'm going to peel it, cut each sides, then we want to cut it in a half and then into other halves until it's 4 pieces. We're going to get rid of the core and then we're going to nicely dice our pineapple. Once we're done with that, I'm adding it to a bowl and adding 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of honey, and I'm going to cover all of that pineapple with this mixture. And once that's done, I'm popping it onto the air fryer basket in 1 layer and we're going to air fry this at 380 Fahrenheit degrees for 14 minutes. But guess what? We're going to stop at around 7 minutes and shake it a little bit and pop it in for another 7 minutes. And once that's done, it's cooked, and serve it with ice cream. The warmth and the cold together taste amazing. And this is truly a healthy dessert everyone will love. For more, go to allnutritious.com. Thank you.